All right, hello everyone. It's actually a Wednesday. I usually make videos on Saturdays, but on Tuesdays, usually the first Tuesday of every month, we do a Music Lab. And Music Lab is whenever several of my students, we get together and we play songs and we work on being able to play solos, practice. It's really fun to get together. There's a social aspect of it, but it's really good for your playing to get together and play music along with other people. Usually you try a little bit harder than if you're just playing at home by yourself and you need to have the songs memorized. But last night when we got together, there were a couple of songs that people had some confusion about, and so I was going to try to bust out a short video. It's not what I'm known for. Most of my videos are 45, 50 minutes. But I'm going to do a really short video on the song White Room by Cream. It's one of the songs we play on our Tuesday night Music Lab. White Room by Cream has 3 sections and has an intro, and the intro starts, it's the very beginning of the song. I should call it the A section because it comes back 2 more times in the song. But it's in the time signature of 5, which is a little unusual. So, and that's why I picked the song. Each of the songs that I picked for our Music Lab, each one presents a unique skill to work on. Like there's one that's a major pentatonic, one's a minor pentatonic, one's a minor scale, a different one uses Dorian. This song's got a section in 5. Great song by Cream. So the A section of this song, the first chord is G minor. It goes G minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F, 2, 3, 4, 5, D minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could also do the D minor and this C as open chords. I do those chords that incorporate the open strings. I'm gonna do it one more time. G minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, F, 2, 3, 4, 5, D minor, 2, 3, 4, 5, C. You do that twice, and after you've done that twice, it goes A minor 7, which is like this. 2, 3, 4. Then it starts into the main part. It's where the singing goes. I think that I've mentioned before, YouTube has some crazy strict copyright rules, and so I do want to show the parts. I'm not going to sing any. This is the verse. So the verse goes, it's a D5 chord. So a D5 chord doesn't have the first string. It's not. So I'm going to go. Then I'm going to do this C chord, and it's a C chord. It's roughly C add 9. I'm barring the 4th string. Can you see what I did? I played the D power chord. My middle finger comes over. Then I'm going to do, this is a G chord with B in the bass. So look what's going to happen. I'm only going to play strings 5, 4, 3, and 2. But you'll notice if I put my fingers in this, what I call the rock and roll G chord shape, you can see if I leave off the thickest string and the thinnest string, that I just have this. And then it's a B flat power chord, and then a C power chord. So here's the phrase. This is the B section. It does that a lot. That's over all the singing. Then there's one other part. The solos actually also happen over that. There's the chorus. And the chorus starts out on a C chord. It goes C chord, the same G with the B in the bass, B flat, and then A. C, G with B in the bass, B flat, C, and then D, and there's like a solo. That's actually all of the sections. If you can play those 3 sections, then all you need to do is do some analysis of the form of the song and you can play all the rhythm parts. 5 minutes. It's a record. If you like the video, check out my other videos. I have some super long videos talking about music theory and scales and building songs. And make sure and like and subscribe. Thank you.